What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Spikes, and I'm back with another video. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome all my new subscribers, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Make sure y'all click that notification bell so you won't miss anything your boy Jay Spikes got coming on the channel. And man, listen, man. If you like any of the content that you're watching or you done watched before, man, make sure you leave a like on the video, man. For your boy, it's free, man. It's free. And if you got any questions, comments, or opinions, leave them in the comment box below, man. All right, listen, check it out, y'all. Today, we back on this box Chevy. We ain't stopping. We're going to keep it moving. We're going to keep it trucking. We ain't playing no games. Hey, I meant everything I said. 2023, it's time to turn this thing up. I done got blessed to get this car, man. Got me another box Chevy. This is my third box Chevy, man. So I'm finna do everything different with this car, man. We're going above and beyond and over the top and out loud and everything. Paint, wheels, grill, everything. Everything gonna be over the top. So y'all better make sure y'all subscribe, man, to the channel, man. Plus, you know, we got the OBS. And we got a couple more different things coming to the channel, man. So y'all make sure y'all don't miss it, man. Make sure you got that notification bell clicked on. I ain't even gonna talk. We're gonna get into this today. Y'all see the trunk open. Hold on. Alright, y'all, we're gonna dive right into this thing. I'm gonna say one thing, man. Listen. All my OG subscribers, man, all my supporters, all my OG supporters, man, all my true supporters know, man. I try to keep it clean as possible over here. I try to do it at least cussing as possible, less cursing as possible on the channel. But I wanna say something to y'all. Shit about to get real with this mug. Impala. You hear me? Shit about to get real. Take it for a joke. Shit about to get real. With that being said, this is what we doing today. Check it out. Man, look. Yesterday, I took my wire brush, screwdriver, shop vac, everything. Cleaned this out. I didn't even want y'all to see that because that was just too much. And it was boring. So I cleaned it all out. I done cut them brackets out. Cut that one out for that old spare tire that was there. I mean that spare tire then spare tire jack. Cleaned it out, wiped it down with alcohol yesterday. And we got sound in the y'all. So this was some nice cool stuff. Matter of fact, let me get it open and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. I think it's pretty cool. Alright, y'all. I got that stuff out that box over there. This what we doing. Sound deadener. Time to sound deaden the trunk, y'all. And this the sound deadener we gonna run, man. I seen this on a couple reviews on Amazon, man. I'm an Amazon freak, man. I got that Amazon Prime. I love Amazon, man. Amazon do me good, man. I had to order so much stuff on Amazon, it's crazy. But the reason why I really wanted to go with this color is because the car gonna be kind of like this color. You know, don't even worry about it. It's not gonna be this color, but it's gonna be close to something like this. And that, I feel like that would look good in the trunk with that color. And it really just pops better off camera than it does on the camera. But, you know, it look good, man. So we finna try it out. I believe this is a pack of 9. And they are 29 and a half inches by 19 and a half inches by 49.5 centimeters or whatever. I think this deadener is supposed to be like 80 mils. I'll tell you what, it's pretty thick. It's thick, boy. Look at it. Boy, it's thick. You hear it? It's thick. When I tell you it ain't real flimsy. So yeah, man, we finna try to line this trunk as much as we can. I'm gonna order some more. We're gonna do the trunk lid, we're gonna do the quarter pounder, we're gonna do the whole trunk bottom lid, we're gonna do the floorboard, and we're gonna do the roof and the doors, man. So this not gonna be the last time we get a review on this. So we're gonna see what this do. So yeah, man, yeah. Let me set the camera down and I'm gonna get started. Y'all hold on, baby. Yes, sir. Woo-hoo. I think it's gonna look good, y'all. What y'all think? Leave a comment down below if y'all think it's gonna look good. Or if you ever seen any of this. Or if you would even purchase it, man. I'm gonna give my honest review on it. I never seen it. I do things. If you ain't noticed, man, about me, I try to do things different. I ain't finna be trying to copy nobody. you know, and I try to outdo myself every time when I fool with these cars. So yeah, it's a personal project, and I'm gonna try to cut as not no corners as I can. If I ain't gonna cut no corners, I ain't gonna cut no corners. So yeah, man, pretty solid car, pretty good project. Let's get it. Yes sir. Alright y'all, I'm back. It's later on in the day, and I done all kind of crap besides work on this, but I got it done though. Spent a little time. I used the whole box, 9 pieces, and then what you get for 9 pieces. Then what you get for 9 pieces. It's pretty solid too, y'all. I like it. Pretty solid, man. I think this is 80 mil sound deadener, 80 mil thick, and it's pretty solid, y'all. Yes, sir. I think I like the outlook of it. It look pretty good. And I'm gonna get some more, cause I know I'm probably do the trunk lid, the roof, and man, I almost dropped y'all. YouTube, I almost dropped y'all. But yeah, I know I'm gonna do the roof, finish the trunk lid, and the doors. I want to do the floorboard too, because I'm gonna put a new carpet in the box. So she got to get that deadener down there too, just for safe havens, heat, transfer, all that, man. We want all that. We want all that right. But yeah, man, we got that done today. I'm happy we got that done today, and it look good too, man. Let me give y'all another look at it from this side. Look how it look. It look pretty good, man. That was 9 pieces. Covered it pretty good for 9 pieces. I can't complain, man. It look good. It look really good. But yeah, man, I done ran the battery down on this thing. So I'm trying to get it jumped off, and yeah, I'm gonna get this thing put up. And tomorrow we're gonna get to building that box, man. I ain't playing, y'all. I'm dead serious. We're gonna move from one step to another. I'm trying to work when I can on my stuff, and then during the week I'm working on customer stuff. So I'm trying to get as much done as I can on my stuff while I got downtime to get my stuff done. During the week I got to get on other people's stuff. So tomorrow, I don't know if we're gonna complete it, but we're gonna start on the box, man. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, make sure that notification bell turned on great, man. Make sure you turn them to all, man, so you won't miss none of this good content, man. None of this on this build, the OBS, none of this, man. Make sure y'all tuned in, man. Y'all don't want to miss it, man. If you got a comment, man, question, comment, opinion, whatever, man, leave it in the comment box below, man. It's your boy J Spice. I see y'all on the next one. We going, hey, tune in, baby. Yes, sir.